Hi, RP here with Realty One Group Signature and Utah's Home Team. This is a phenomenal property. First thing, of course, for guys like me, car enthusiasts, you're gonna see right away a 4-car garage plus an RV parking. We are situated on the border between Cottonwood Heights and Sandy City. And right now, just off of Creek Road, we're right in the middle between Little Cottonwood Canyon, which is home to Snowbird and Alta, as well as Big Cottonwood Canyon, home to Solitude and Brighton Ski Resort. This home is 6,473 square feet, sitting on 0.38 of an acre in this private cul-de-sac in a gated community. I can't wait to show you guys the inside. Let's go check this home out. As you make your way up, you'll notice immediately this charming covered front porch, ideal for sitting out looking onto the quiet cul-de-sac. Then you step in, first word that comes to mind is wow. To the left, you have double doors that open up to the formal living room. To your right, you have 3 bedrooms plus an additional owner's ensuite on the left-hand side. One of the bedrooms has been converted to an office that can accommodate 2 people working, as well as a gift wrap center. Every single bedroom on the main floor, 4 total bedrooms, actually have its own ensuite, plus the half bath, of course, for the guests. The grand great room here, as you can see, big, open, spacious, with this charming fireplace and dining room, all a nice open floor plan. Step out back, and you'll absolutely love the fact that the backyard is not big. It's perfect for someone who's looking for minimal maintenance. At this covered porch area, super simple, super clean landscaping, easy to maintain. We got a storage unit out back that can accommodate and store your winter furniture and lawnmowers and such. Now step back in, walk past this beautiful light and bright kitchen is the primary suite. Check out those beautiful ceiling treatments, big windows letting in lots and lots of lights. And then you step around to the back and you'll see the spacious bathroom. Now, the shower is big enough to have a party in. The tub is actually it's an option. Plumbing is all still there. This home was originally retrofitted for a wheelchair, and so some of those features can be put back. All right, step through, and let's go downstairs, and you'll see that it's literally like buying one home and getting 2 homes, because downstairs is as big, beautiful, and spacious as upstairs, right? You've got your grand great room. You've got a dining area. You've got gaming area, a space that's big enough to put a pool table. This also is access with a separate entrance. And check out this big, beautiful kitchen. A little playroom underneath the staircase. High quality basement, same quality as it is upstairs. Down here, you've got 2 additional bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, you've got the big kitchen, walk-in pantry, as well as a secondary laundry room. Step outside, and this is not your typical walkout basement, tiny little steps. Big giant staircase with an overhang that protects you from the weather elements. Again, the gates there allows you access from the front to the back. Absolutely stunning home. If you're interested in taking a look at this, we'd love to help you out. Or you can see more of this home by visiting 2420royalpine.com. That's 2420royalpine.com, brought to you by Utah's Home Team and Realty One Group Signature.